How boring. I have almost the main birds, but don't have Terrence. Terrence! Alright, so you actually did see that. I actually do have a brand new Terrence plushie. He is Aiden, as you saw in the video. He is a cool plush. For comparison to my Redbird, he is a big boy, but he's not as big as the Mighty Eagle, of course. And he's also not that, he's almost the same size as Puffed Up Bubbles. Just that, this is like a few inches bigger than Terrence. Terrence is really cool. His speaker box doesn't work because I just got him a few days ago. But he still has his tags. This Terrence is really cool. He's an 8-inch, as you remember. So here's a comparison like with how he's not that big, but there's Puffed Up Bubbles compared. Mighty Eagle would possibly be no chance to this guy because this guy is huge. Well, not really huge, but an 8-inch. And yeah, this Terrence is one of the coolest, one of the rarest plushies I have in my collection so far. So now I can add them to the rest of my Underbirds. Okay, maybe that does not fit.